If you want awesome dispersion effects in Blender, then try this set of nodes. Now, this effect is highly dependent on the position of your different light sources. You can see me adding different area lights at the side and just adjusting the positions to properly light up the model. Then after you've done that, then we'll go into the shader editor. Change the world and we'll turn the strength of the world to 0 to light up the model properly. Then more adjustments of the size and position of the area light for that perfect lighting. Now add a new material to the object and delete the principled BSDF and add 3 refraction BSDF to it. And also add 2 add shader nodes to it. Connect the first 2 refraction BSDF to the first add shader node, and then the last refraction BSDF to the second slot of the add shader node and the outputs to here, and the add shader node outputs to the material outputs. Then you can change the roughness on all refraction nodes to 0.2. After that is done, you can change the RRI of the first refraction node to 1.4, leave the second at 1.45, and then the third to 1.5. For the next step, you change the color of the 3 refraction BSDF to red, green and blue respectively. Then after that is done, add a mix shader node in between the add shader and material output node. Add a glass BSDF to enhance the effect and connect them together like this. Lastly, add a light path node and connect the transmission depth to the factor of the mix shader and increase the RRI of the glass BSDF to 1.6. We can add more realism to the effect with scratches. We will add an image texture and use Ctrl T to get the mapping node and the texture coordinate node with the node regular add-on activated. Then change from UV to object, add the color ramp node and connect it to the roughness of the 3 refraction nodes. Then using Ctrl Shift left click to highlight the node. The goal here is to highlight the scratches using the color ramp and some light tweaking to get the scratches to be visible. Then after adjusting the angles here and there of some of the lights, then you have your dispersion effects. You can now add on any object, and this is the full node setup. If you like this video, you're going to like this video where I talked about how to create realistic procedural wood textures in Blender. So check it out.